Happening right now on NBC4 at 5:30, Ohio State's Wexner Medical Center will soon start clinical trials on a coronavirus vaccine. The study is the final phase of testing needed before a potential vaccine is approved for the public. And guess what? They're looking for a few good men and women. Thank you for staying with us at 5:30. I'm Darlene Hill.
And I'm Brad Johansson. NBC4's Alan Henry joining us now live from the Watch 4 Alert Desk. Alan, you spoke to the doctor now in charge of this study. What did she have to say about its progress?
Well, Brad, Darlene, obviously a lot of people want a vaccine as soon as possible. After all, the federal government's program is called Operation Warp Speed. But the director of infectious diseases at Wexner says warp speed doesn't mean safety will just go out the window.
You don't want warp speed to cloud your judgment in terms of safety and how effective it is.
As coronavirus vaccine trials prepare to start at Wexner Medical Center, the head of the study says safety isn't being sacrificed for speed. The 500 volunteers they'll recruit should be prepared to be watched for a while.
And this trial is going to go on for 2 years after people actually get the vaccine. We're going to continue to maintain follow-up with them, check on them, make sure that, nothing has happened down the road, and also to make sure that the response, the presumed response will last.
Of those 500, 2 out of 3 will actually receive the vaccine candidate. The other third, a placebo. The trial is looking for people in high-risk categories to sign up.
Healthcare workers, people who work in the public, who have a lot of interactions, people who work in factories.
That also includes people who live in close quarters like dorms, and there are a few of those near Wexner with willing volunteers.
I am worried, but why should someone else take the risk and not me? So I'm no better than anyone else.
As somebody who's not at risk, I feel like being the guinea pig, quote unquote, wouldn't be that much of a risk to me.
But even if a working vaccine is developed, doctors say it will take more than just that.
I don't think there's one answer to this pandemic. I think it's just like I think we're all in this together. I think there are multiple ways to approach it, including sort of personal responsibility in terms of, wearing masks and then hopefully a vaccine.
Our researchers are looking for 500 participants for this study, which they say will start soon. If you're interested in signing up, I put a link to that in this story on our website, NBC4i.com. At the Watch 4 Alert Desk, Alan Henry, NBC4.